So before starting the video, what you can do if you like my channel on my videos, you can hit the little subscribe button on here, and if you don't want to miss any video, just click the notification bell on here so you will receive a notification each time I post a new video. And you can like or dislike the video, and that helps me out to see if you guys like my content. So yeah, enjoy the video. What up people, welcome to Ticha's Tech. I'm Ticha, and today I'm going to show you how to install a dark theme for Windows 7. I don't really like this white design. I think this is ugly, but yeah. So this is crucial, you need to do this or the theme won't work. So you need to download this universal theme patcher, which I'll leave a link to the files in the description below. So you double click this, and here you see the file name. So if you have a 32-bit system, you need to use this one, but if you have a 64-bit system, you need to use this one. How to check that? Go to the Start menu, Computer, Properties, and as you can see here it says 32-bit OS. So that means I will have to run this one. If it says on here x64-bit, you will have to run the one that says x64. If not, you will have to run the one that says x86. Anyways, here user interface language English. Okay, so you click yes here. I already have this patched, but here you need to click patch on this 3 and exit and restart your system. So after doing that, what you're gonna do is open the take ownership thing here, and you will click this file. Click yes and okay. That will all the take ownership thing to the context menu. Anyway, now you need to click this one. You don't need to extract if you don't want to. So you go to themes, and then you go to file explorer. Here you type this. Then you go to resources and themes, and then you move everything that's on here to here. It will say if I want to replace this, but because I already have it, but you won't have this. So yeah. Now the next thing you need to do is right click, personalize. Then you click this one. It says please wait. And then you click this one. Okay? So now you have these little bars that show the progress. And as you can see, this is a really cool theme. This one changed it. This is because I have a file that does it. I will show you later. Anyways, this is a really cool thing. It's dark crap. So you will close this. You can leave it here if you want, but I will show you how to have dark things, like for example this clock and the little buttons. There's buttons on here. I really like this, but anyways, you will have to go back to this. Then you click the arrow up. Well, this is WinRAR. I'm not sure how is it on 7-zip. But anyways, you go to system files, and then you go to this one, the time date CPL. Then you go to your OS type. I already said how to check that, so I'm going to click x86. So here you have time date.cpl. Now what you're gonna do is put it on here, and then change it to and put a little a little bar and put 1. So what you're gonna do now is open CMD, but you gotta right click and run as an administrator. So you click yes on the UIC, and then what you're gonna do is copy C / users / insert your username here, in my case Ticha / desktop / time date bar 1.cpl, and then you're gonna put window system 32. So you click enter. It says 1 file copy. So what you're gonna do now is just rename time date .cpl to time date little bar 2.cpl. So there you go. So what you're gonna do is click the god fucking damn it, click the arrow key, and then you're going to add a /2 on here. No, I'm sorry, a 1, and then you're going to delete this little bar and the 2. So you click enter, and that's it. Now what you're gonna do is log off and log on back, and you'll have another clock. So what you're gonna do is go back, then go to shell 32 and x86 and shell 32.dll. You can delete this if you want. Anyways, what you're gonna do is do the same process again. Click the arrow key like I think 3 times, yes, until you see this, and change timedate.cpl. Change this to shell 32. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to rename this. Silly me. Anyways, shell 32 1.dll. Click enter. Now you press the arrow key twice, and you delete this and put shell 32.dll to you delete this to shell 32/2. So now fuck. Anyways, what you do now is oh yeah, it already renamed. I'm sorry for this. Anyways, what you're gonna do now is change this, delete this, put shell 32 32 DLL. You go back, put D1 like this one. So you click enter, that's it, shell 32 replaced. So you click the 2 little dots on there, and there you go to Explorer frame. And this one depends a little bit, because if you click x86, you will have the normal DLL. and get rid of this too. But if you click the x64 one, you will have the System 32 one and the Syswo 64 too. Which this folder is not present on the 32-bit systems. It's the same process, just do it twice, and instead of System 32, you need to do a CD and 2 dots and enter, and then CD Syswo 64. This won't work because I don't have this folder because I'm on 32-bit, but yeah, you will have to do the same process I'm going to do. Anyways, so in this case, as I have this one, I'm going to put this here. Well, this is the same process. Anyways, I'm back. So now that you did this for both, if you have 64-bit for both of these ones, if you have 32-bit for this one only, now you can close the CMD and you need to log off and log on back, probably restart your computer. Anyways, now you can install this rain meter thing, which I'm going to leave a link in the description. And this is just for looks. I think it's better, but you can download the Windows 7 Logon background changer. I didn't find any official links to this one, so I did a little zip with it. It's totally portable. Just move it here. It doesn't have any bullshit or viruses or something, so don't worry. Anyways, you right click this and then you go to Win7 Logon background changer .exe. So wait a second until it opens. So what you're gonna do is choose a folder. I'm going to leave this on the description too. And desktop. So you click OK. You click this and you click apply. So you can close this now. To see if it worked, just do Control Alt Delete. It doesn't show, but it changed for me. You can just click press Control Alt and Delete to see it for yourself. So anyways, that's basically it. Leave a comment if you have any problems. I'll reach you out. You can also join my Discord server, which is a tiny bit dead. Anyways, just message me there and I'll get in touch. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Ticha signing off.